This is a Work and Roller channel. Today I want to talk to you about your workplace. I think it's really important for everybody and for creative persons especially. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, let's go. Usually here we are talking about the guitars, about the playing, about the customizing, about the painting posters. Maybe you're a guy or girl who works from home a lot at their desks, and you just sitting more and more at your laptops or maybe at your PCs. I think that this piece of equipment can help you so you can stay energized and productive for the whole day. This won't be the big review, this is just my thoughts about these desks, why need it, why maybe you don't need. Of course, this is not the final result of my new space. I need to hide all these cables, well, and these cables too. I need to change my computer because this is the old one. I need to change the monitor. I will add some speakers here. Right now I have a lot more space. I have a lot more energy here to work and to create. I usually put the guitars on the desk and I even don't have enough space. Even in this condition, this desk 200 or maybe 300% better than my previous desk. My room, my office, my home office is around 9.5 square meters. And I think that the sweet spot about the size of this desk for this room, this size of room, is about from 140 to 160 centimeters. For my taste, the depth of the desk should be around 80 centimeters because I want to stay further from the computer to save my eyes and it's more comfortable. The length of my previous desk was around 1 meter, 100 centimeters, and the depth was around 60 centimeters, and this was too close. But this is only my case. Maybe you want to have some big table and to place everything on its desk. I don't suggest you to take less than 140. The space on your desk ends up too quickly. You simply can't add some more. This channel is about guitars. And how many times did you sit in for hours and hours and playing something and practicing and maybe recording something? And it's a good habit to play in the standing position because you are performing in the standing position and you will have the muscle memory in the standing position. You will record your licks in the standing position, and this is a very good habit for the guitarist. I don't know about you, but I spent a lot of hours just in the sitting position. When you get tired of your healthy life, you just push the button at the desk, will return into the sitting position. Maybe you will relax, you will have some coffee break or tea break. One advice to you, your desk, your future desk, should have pretty good weight, because these desks usually have some problems on the standing position. The weight goes up and the table begins to wiggle. So if your table weighs more, it should stand better. It gives you a lot of opportunities, more freedom of moving around the house. Also, it's just fun because this is new technologies. Also, it helps me to stay more productive. When I'm standing at my desk, I want to make something creative. I want to write some script for the new videos. Also, this channel is about the guitar customizing, about the painting on the guitars, and I've spent so much time sitting near the desk. Just I had not enough space just to put the guitar, to put in my hands. Now I'm standing and I can paint here something. This is huge for me, and if you are a painter or maybe graphic designer, you painting in the real life or in the computer, you can spend much more time without the break just to be creative and to create your artwork. It helps me in my work and in my creative side. That's why I want to advise you to buy something like this. You can buy different brands for different prices, from the Chinese unknown brands. IKEA give you maybe the 5 gradations of tables like this. I choose the FlexiSpot. And one advice for the tall persons. I'm 180 centimeters. The highest position of this desk is 115, I think. The most comfortable position for me to work with this desk is about 112 centimeters, so it's like almost the very end. If you are 2 meters and taller than me, I should watch to you like this, and it will be comfortable too to work on this desk. But your back need to stay straight, and you want to have a rest of your hands, and you need to place them to the desk. And if the height of the desk is not enough for you, after some time you will have some uncomfortable feeling. So if you're a tall person, please go to the shop and see this desk in the real life. If everything is okay, just buy it. This helps you every day in your work, your hobbies, in just in everything, in every second of your life. If you are working from home, and maybe not from home, maybe in your office, when you are spending too much time near your electronic devices, if you're filming too much like I am, if you are editing your videos, if you make some creative work, if you're an artist, if you are painting something. I make a lot of color grading, a lot of stuff with video. I'm filming, I'm filmmaker, I'm editor, and I'm spending a lot of time near the computer. So now I just can stand near my awesome desk and just to make my task. Who will not like these desks? Maybe people who want to be compact. If you want to be minimal, if you are a person who live in the minimalistic style, it's not your case. You will feel some more energy after your working hours, and this is the main thing, because our day, it's not only work. We have our families, we have our hobbies, so that's really helpful to save some energy for your actual life, and it helps to save your health too. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the creative videos on this channel, as it should be. Stay safe. See you.